Boats, written by Children Stanley. Focus question. What do boats carry? Words to know. Boat carries logs, planes, police, tracks, connections, writing and art. Which boat do you think is the most interesting? Why? Draw a picture and write about it. Social studies. Boats are used to carry things on the water. How are things carried on land or in the air? Discuss your ideas with a partner. This boat carries people. This boat carries police. This boat carries food. This boat carries logs. This boat carries tracks. This boat carries cars. This boat carries planes. This boat carries boats.